Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Meredith, Shirk with Svelte Training, and today we are doing my favorite recipe, absolute favorite recipe. It's a fat loss lemonade. It's absolutely delicious, easy, and it's only 5 ingredients. So let's get started. So the first ingredient is lemon. It boosts immunity rich in vitamin C, and lemons are strengthening the immune system by actually helping combat colds and infections by helping the white blood cells. Now, it also aids in digestion. Lemon juice stimulates the liver to produce bile, which aids in digestion, helps relieve bloating and indigestion. Lastly, it promotes skin health. With antioxidants, vitamin C, lemon helps reduce wrinkles, age spots, and acne while promoting collagen production. Now, just simply take these 2 halves and squeeze them into the water, making sure to strain out any of the seeds. Oops, little mess. We're gonna make it, it's okay. The next ingredient is green tea. Now, green tea contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help prevent cell change and reduce inflammation. Now, it also can support weight loss and boost metabolism by helping the body burn fat more efficiently and potentially aiding in weight management. One great thing about green tea is it also helps improve brain function and the L-amino acid theanine, which can actually enhance brain function and improve mood too. So green tea is one of the best natural antioxidants you can find. Pop that into your lemon water. The next ingredient is cayenne, and cayenne actually contains capsaicin, and that actually increases metabolic rate, aiding in calorie burn and weight loss. In addition, it also acts as a natural pain reliever by blocking pain receptors and may help reduce symptoms of arthritis and nerve pain. Capsaicin, an active component, actually helps promote healthy blood flow and may prevent blood clots. So what you're gonna do is take 1 teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, drop it in your mix. You can add more if you like it a little bit more spicy, but half teaspoon is enough for me. Lastly, we have honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, soothing sore throats and helping reduce coughing. It also promotes digestive health, containing enzymes that can aid in digestion and may help it balance good bacteria in the gut. Help the honey in a little bit with an extra spoon or something like that. So just 1 tablespoon is all you need, adding it in to your water, and that's it. I'm gonna show you a Superfood Bedtime Elixir that is my mom's favorite way to burn fat and sleep while doing it. So join me for this tea, it's awesome. We're starting with all of these ingredients. First one is almond milk. I choose this because it's low in calories and high in fiber plus protein. Next, we have ginger. Ginger actually is high anti-inflammatory and reduces blood sugar levels by balancing your fullness feelings. Pretty cool, right? Then we have the star. The star of this is turmeric. So turmeric is really an amazing way to not only get a different flavor into your tea, but also a different kick to your metabolic hormones. So it really aids in boosting natural metabolism by aiding in cellular regeneration within the gut. Pretty awesome, right? Then we've got cinnamon. Cinnamon helps reduce blood sugar levels by helping you feel fuller longer, making it an additive to any sweet dessert. Is gonna make it a powerhouse. Finally, we have honey, Mr. Sweet Honey, your antibacterial hero, okay, in your body, which is amazing. So take that, a big squeeze, not too much, but I'm a honey lover, so maybe 2 squeezes, okay? So honey, the last ingredient to really kick this off, that is normal. And then you see, what is that? Use that for like your stir fry, right? No, you can use it for your smoothies and for your turmeric teas too. It's black pepper. We're gonna put this in the bedtime elixir to help activate the turmeric. So the turmeric, however you wanna say it, is actually increased its bioavailability by adding bioprene, which is black pepper. So to increase the bioavailability of this, you have to add just a little bit of this, making all of this so powerful in your body while you're sleeping. It's a bedtime elixir. So add all these ingredients. We're doing a cup unsweetened almond milk, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and optional squeeze of honey, and I did 2. So I did 2 optional squeezes of honey. So you're gonna put that into your saucepan, let it simmer about 20 minutes, and then you're gonna drink it right before bed. It's gonna help you burn fat while you sleep. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is add all these ingredients to a saucepan. So first is gonna be your almond milk, then we're going a 1/4 teaspoon of that black pepper, and we're just gonna go straight down the line because it's gonna be a lot easier for you guys. Have it all measured out. That ground ginger, turmeric. So look at these colors. Look how cool that color is coming out. Isn't that neat? Kind of just settles on the top. So cinnamon. And finally, the optional squeezes, which I had 2 of, which is fine, everybody, because the honey is gonna help you. It's not going to hurt our waistline right now. And there we go, little 1.5 squeezes. You're gonna stir that up, and you're gonna just let it sit over about medium heat for about 20 minutes. reduce the heat, and then enjoy it. It's really delicious, it's easy, and it's my mom's favorite way to burn fat while she's sleeping. This is my sister's favorite recipe, so all this yumminess has become a fat-burning avocado smoothie, so stay tuned. So the first ingredient is spinach. So what you're gonna do is get a cup of spinach and put it in your blender at the bottom, because I like to shake it and put the greens on top because it helps it kind of mix together with all the wet ingredients that actually hit the blender on the bottom. So spinach is a great green to be high in iron and fiber. So high in iron helps you have stronger bones and higher immunity. Next thing we have is a full ripe avocado. So take that avocado, peel it off the bottom, get the seed out, and easily just place it in. So I like a full avocado. If you're not a fan of avocado, you should be, because it is high in all those amazing fatty acids that help support weight management and the feelings of fullness. So we are all about that. So one full avocado, gonna put it on the top of that spinach, and there we go, we're on to our next ingredient. All right, the next ingredient we have is almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. Now, I love almond milk because it is high in vitamin E, which helps promote healthy skin, hair, and nails, plus fights oxidative stress. So cup of almond milk in there. If you like to have regular milk, I highly suggest almond milk because it's lower in calories and it's gonna help you give that boost of E. So almond milk in that smoothie, and then we're on to the next ingredient. Then we have a half a cup of Greek yogurt, which is amazing for protein, but also for gut health because it contains probiotics, which aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. So if you knew that, you would add all of that in there, cups and cups and cups of it, but only half a cup because it's the right combinations in the right amounts that really matter, right? So putting it in there, then we're already looking great. And we're on to our next ingredient. Next thing we have is sweet, natural energy boost of honey. So the sugars in honey provide quick energy and can improve physical performance and digestive health. So you say a half a tablespoon, but it gets stuck in here. So you just need one good quick squeeze and you are good to go. So, oops, might get sticky. If you like it a little sweeter, it's okay. It's natural and it's delicious. And lastly, the best ingredient of all, after my favorite sweet honey, is actually cinnamon. So cinnamon is a great anti-inflammatory and it actually contains antioxidants like polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation in the body. I do one big pinch, which is gonna be about a half a teaspoon, right? So you're just pinching it in and you can see, and it's gonna make it sweet, delicious, and help your body reduce inflammation. All right, time to blend all these ingredients and drink. So here we go. Make sure the lid is tight and you're locked, okay? So lock in that smoothie and ready? Smoothie. All right, so now we've got our blended smoothie. It's gonna be amazing. Remember, it's avocado full of good fats, antioxidants, everything that's making you feel full longer and support weight loss. So here we go. Creamy, sweet, delicious. The honey really shows through, so it's really amazing, guys. You gotta try it. My sister's favorite recipe, and it's gonna be your favorite recipe too. So see you guys on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.